Hey there! Welcome to another quick and insightful tutorial. Today, I'll be guiding you through the creation of custom values. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is be inside an account or a sub-account. Once you're in, navigate your way to Settings and hunt for Custom Values. Spot the New Custom Value button and give that a click. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the name of the values. As an example, we'll use company quote for this tutorial, and for the value, we'll input live long and prosper. Once you're satisfied, hit Create. And just like that, our custom value is brought into existence. Now if you look for company quote, you'll notice that the key is already there. This key is essentially what we'll use within the system. So, let's say we're building an email or designing a funnel. If we want the system to automatically populate this value, we just need to use this key. The beauty of custom values is that they save you from repetitive tasks. If there's a value you often use, you can create a key for it. Whenever you need it, you just copy and paste this key, and the system will automatically populate the value. The best part? If there's a change in the value, you only have to modify it here, and it'll be updated across all instances where you've used this key. So instead of scrambling through your email campaigns or funnels and changing the value of this custom value manually, you simply edit the value here, and voila. All the corresponding parts of the system will reflect this change. Remember, you can create as many custom values as you wish. So that's it. Creating a custom value is really that simple. And that's a wrap for today. If you have any questions, never hesitate to ask. Thanks for tuning into this how-to video. For more adventurous how-to videos, check out our GoHighLevel Sauce playlist. Catch you on the next mission.